Guys, so we are back at it. I have with me in this pot some cassava leaf, y'all. This was made by my sister, my darling sister in Liberia. See what it looks like? I just wanted to boil down, you guys, and I will show you guys the end product. I've already pre-cooked my ingredients. As you can see in this pot, there's so much of dry fish, and I put in some country beans. I don't know if any one of you who are not from Liberia will know this, or from Africa, but these are beans, very big size beans. When you cook these in cassava leaf, yeah, you see them all here, it comes out so good, you guys. So this is what I'm doing. This is primarily going to be dry fish and boni, and I have some fish I've already boiled and sitting over there. But yeah, I already put some oil in here, and I want this to boil down and dry up. And if I need more oil, I am going to add to it. But anyway, your girl is in the kitchen again, and here to motivate someone to, go in the kitchen and get something cooking. You know how I love home food. Anyway, let me let this burger cook up, okay? This is African burger. All right, I'm going to cover this up and let it cook. If you haven't already followed me on my YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Ruth Tembe RN. And that's your girl. Anyway, I will see you in another one pretty soon. Bye.